Morning students, hashtag Maths Adda. We welcome you, hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. This is the question in SSC in 3 days examination. Question is like this. I'll read the question out. Find the largest number that will divide 260, 720 and 145, leaving 7 as the remainder in each case. 7 as the remainder in each case. There are 4 options given for 30, 16, 23 and 25. These are the 4 options given in this question. 4 ऑप्शन दिए हैं. So you have to derive the questions. Okay, so this is one of the most common question in all these examination. It comes in the class 10 CBSE board, it comes in the SSC examination, ND examination, CDS examination, and many Olympiad, many where I have been seen this question. So we'll put the example, so we will understand what does it mean. This is saying largest number. Largest number means highest number. Largest means highest. Highest means you will have to find the HCF. Always do remember. Okay, or we can say GCD, greatest common divisor. So HCF बोलो या GCD बोलो, both are same. In हिंदी महत्तम समापवर्तक, मोसपो, ठीक है. So महत्तम समापवर्तक. So this is HCF, GCD or Mosopo. Okay, so you have to find out the highest wherever the question wherever it is mentioned largest number, you have to derive the value through HCF. Okay, so the first step is very much clear. The second step is, so now what you need to do in the second step, whenever they are leaving remainder, it is leaving the remainder in each case. यानी कि whenever you are dividing this by the that number, so again 7 is leaving. Whenever you are dividing this number by 7, that number, again 7 will be the remainder. इस नंबर को भी डिवाइड करोगे, again 7 will be the remainder. So in each case 7 will be the remainder. So whenever the remainder, I'll took some small छोटा वाला example I'll put here. So let there are two number 58 and 38, and it is leaving 3 as a remainder in each case. So you have to find out the number which divide these number and left 3 as a remainder. So what will we do? First step is you subtract 3 from both the number. Okay, this become 55, this become 35. So you find out the HCF of 35 and 55. Okay, so there are many method. By long division method you can do 35 small number and divide by 55. 35 1 जा 35 minus किया 20, again 20 से 35 को minus divide, 21 जा 20, 15 से again 20 divide, 15 1 जा 15, 5 से 15 को divide, 5 3 जा 15. Now remainder is nothing, तो 5 is the highest common factor which will, अभी देखो you can verify the same answer. 5 से 58 divide करो, 5 divide by 58. Okay, 5 11 जा 55, remainder 3 आ रहा. Again 5 से 38 को डिवाइड करो, 5 7 जा 35, रिमाइंडर 3. इस केस में each केस में रिमाइंडर as 3 when you divide. So this is the highest number, highest common factor. So you have to find out the value through HCF, highest common factor, or GCD or महत्तम समापवर्तक. So this is one of the method of, if you don't have clarity of HCF, LCM, you can see my previous videos, HCF, LCM wala videos. So what we need to do, the first step is subtract 260 minus 7 equal to, फिर 720 minus 7 equal to 145 minus 7 equal to, this become 253, 713, 138. Okay, now you have to find out the HCF of 253, 713, 138. So see, this is very easy. You can choose the option from here. You can see which divide these equations. Okay, so 30 से जाएगा नहीं. Okay, 30 cannot divide because 30 is zero, even number. If you read out the 30 का table, 3 to the 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 8, everywhere 0 0. 30, 60, 90. ये देखो 30 के टेबल में ये नंबर कहीं भी डिवाइड नहीं होता है. सो 30 इज नो ऑप्शन. 16 से डिवाइड कर लो. 16 से किसी में जाता है, इसी में देख लो 16 से जाता है नहीं जाता. चेक दिस वन, इफ इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय 16. 16 128 नहीं जाता है, तो 16 इज ऑल्सो नॉट द नंबर. 23 से चेक कर लो. 23 डिवाइड बाय 253. 23 1 जा 23 224. अरे वाह, इट इज गोइंग विद द 23. तो 23 विल बी करेक्ट. 23 का डिवाइड इसमें कर लो. 713. आपको HCF निकालने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन डायरेक्टली चूज द ऑप्शन, and otherwise you will have to find out the HCF of all these three. It will come 23. 23 69 69 2 बचा 23. अरे वाह, this is also going no remainder. So this is 31. So it means 23 is the only greatest number which will divide 260, 720, 145 and will leave the remainder 7 in each case. You can check. 23 divided by 260. 23 1 जा 23. 6 minus 3 3 30. 23 1 जा 23. 30 minus 23, 7 as the remainder. So it is leaving the 7 as the remainder. You can do the question in such a way. So this is one of the beautiful questions, and it is being repeated in many competitive examination. So you have to always find out the greatest common divisor or HCF in such case wherever the largest number is mentioned. So do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much बच्चों.